Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. When the days are shorter and the nights are longer, these beautiful pathway lights were really a benefit to my yard and to my safety. I love the light that they give off. They are absolutely beautiful. They give off just enough light at night, but they're also just beautiful as normal decoration during the day. The material they're made out of is very sturdy, and I needed that because I live in a house with a couple of kids and some pets, and I needed something that was going to withstand the test, and these have shown to do that. Before I had these, I had some solar glass bulbs, and they just didn't hold up. They broke very easily, so I'm glad to have these, and I know that they're going to stand up to the test that my family throws at them. These come in a 4-pack or a 2-pack depending on what you want to do. And another thing I like is that the solar panel is pretty large on them, and they can last all night on a full charge. They were very easy to put together right out of the box. I did it all by myself. You can see how bright the light is. You simply snap them together, put the bottom on, and stick them in the ground, and they're ready to go. So if you're in the market for a beautiful and stylish way to keep your pathway lit, this is your answer. And that's my point of view.